Are you ready to finally manifest what you want? Do you want to learn how to create your own reality? In this video, I'll share with you a step-by-step process to leveraging the power of the law of attraction to manifest your desires. I'm George Lizos, and I empower lightworkers with tools and guidance to find, follow, and fulfill their life purpose. If you're ready to follow yours, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'm also excited to announce that my new book, Lightworkers Gotta Work, is now available to order globally on Amazon. The book's biggest message is that the world won't change sitting in meditation pillows all day long. The world changes when lightworkers such as you and me light up, get clear on our life purpose, and take consistent action towards it. In the book, you learn powerful manifestation processes, techniques, and rituals to help you manifest your desires and purpose and create big positive change in the world. I'll pop the link for it in the description below so you can check it out. I want to start by saying that you can 100% manifest whatever your heart desires. Conscious manifestation is not rocket science. It is a skill that you can learn and master if you know the right steps and use the right processes. Over the past 10 years, I've helped hundreds of people to manifest their desires via my online programs, private sessions, and best-selling books, Be the Guru and Lightworkers Gotta Work. My clients have manifested fulfilling relationships, new careers, and financial abundance, among many other things. But their greatest accomplishment hasn't been the actual manifestations, but the knowledge that they have a process that works, that they can use to manifest whatever it is that they want. I'm excited to share this process with you in this video. Let's start with the basics. To manifest what you want, you need to know how to consciously work with the law of attraction. The law of attraction is the most powerful law in the universe. It states that like attracts like, meaning that we attract in our lives what we are a vibrational and therefore an emotional match to. Like the law of gravity and all other laws of physics, the law of attraction works whether you want it or not, and it is up to us to learn how to use it in a conscious way to create our lives and manifest our desires. According to spiritual teachers Abraham-Hicks, there are 3 main steps to using the law of attraction to manifest your desires. Step number 1 is you ask for what you want. The first step involves consciously or unconsciously asking for an improved state of being or a specific desire. Step number 2 is the universe manifests your desire in vibrational form. As soon as you have a desire, the universe instantly manifests that desire for you in a vibrational way. It also launches a process of gathering the various components that will manifest that desire into your life in physical form. The third step is all about receiving the physical manifestation of your desires by getting in vibrational alignment with them. All the desires you've ever desired are stored in your very own vibrational safe, ready for you to receive in physical form. To open the door to your safe and let the desires flow into your life, you need to align yourself with their vibrational and therefore emotional frequency. From this perspective, conscious manifestation is all about the third step. Step 1 occurs whether you want it or not. Step 2 is not your job. And step 3 is all you need to focus on to manifest your desires and life purpose. To open your vibrational safe and let your desires and life purpose unfold physically into your life, you need to be in vibrational alignment with them. But what does that really mean? If the universe responds to your vibrational frequency and therefore your emotions, then you need to match your emotions to the vibrational frequency of already having that which you desire. In other words, you need to find and practice the emotional signature of your desire. To find the emotional signature of your desire, you simply ask yourself how it would feel like if you already had that desire in your life. And then you reach for the emotion or emotions that come up as a result. The aim is to milk those emotions until you've saturated your body with them and you've pinpointed a single emotion that best captures the vibrational frequency of having your chosen desire. For example, if your desire involves getting a new car, then ask yourself, how would having this new car make me feel? It would make me feel excited, happy, free, joyful, etc. And after you feel these emotions for a while, you may pinpoint that the dominant emotion of having the new car is the emotion of freedom, which is therefore the emotional signature of your desire. All you have to do after finding the emotional signature of your desire is to practice and embody it consistently. There are many processes, techniques, and rituals you can use to do so, and I share what I feel are the most effective ones in my book, Lightworkers Gotta Work. The third part of the book is a collection of my go-to manifestation processes that you can use to leverage the emotional signature of your desire and life purpose to bring them faster into your life. I'll pop the link for the book in the description below so you can check it out. I also have a free manifestation video series here on YouTube sharing more processes and resources to mastering manifestation. You'll learn how to use a manifestation journal, how to create a vision board, and all my favorite manifestation methods. I'll share the link for that playlist in the description below so you can check it out too. You can get even more guidance on manifestation and the law of attraction in my free Facebook group for Lightworkers, Your Spiritual Toolkit. It's full of trainings, prompts, and guidance from others and myself to guide you on your path. If you feel called to join us, I would love to see you there. Thank you so much for watching, Lightworker. I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope you've learned something, and I hope you're a step closer to mastering the law of attraction and manifesting your desires and purpose. Please let me know in the comments any questions you have about manifestation, and be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.